Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this video I'd like to show you how to make your model look more sexy. And to do that I like to use the G Valentine character. So as you can see here in this render, this is the result, and you can see here how the model look sexy. And I like to talk exactly about the body and the breast and how to change the details and change the breast shape and make your model more sexy. So to create this render, I use my light and my presets. And if you like to get it both and get better results, you can get it both from the link in the description or from the link in the top of the video, and you can enjoy the discount and enjoy rendering. Okay, so first thing to do here, we add a basic Genesis 8 feed. Okay, then I open clothing and go to basic wear and just add a basic clothes. Then here we have G Valentine character. Let's apply the G Valentine body, face, hair, skin, and everything. Nice. So now I just need a pose, and I just here like to use a simple pose, just a simple pose like that. Let's change here. Okay, like that. So fine, that's good. That's good. Let's create a new camera with the same position of the perspective view. Nice. Here we have the camera, and change here to NVIDIA to just see how the render looks like. Okay. Go to environment and change the backdrop color to color like black color like that. Okay. Here I have my light called air.light. You can get it from the link in the description. Just apply the light. Change here to 90 degrees. Okay. This is the rotation. This is the rotation. Let's make it, okay, 60, okay. So now I'd like to show you the trick. So Daz Studio give you the ability to change the body options. So just select your character, go to shaping, then select your model name. Here we have Genesis 8 female, and search for something called body builder details. And so exactly these 5 options here. This is important because if we change here the body builder details, you can see here some abs. Let's see how it looks like. And this is important because this is give details for your model body, and this is important, and give some shadows here, make your model look more realistic. Also, you can change the body builder. This means make it more strong, for example, like that. Okay, nice. Let's make the body builder. Okay, this is the maximum here. It's good. So the body builder size, I think it's good like that. Okay. So now we have something else, is the breast. So just here, click or select your character, go to shaping and select the chest. Exactly, chest means breast. And here let's make the breast more large. Okay, and here we have the options called penny breast. Make it like that, more sexy. Let's see the result. This look good. Let's make the penny breast more. This look good. So to get a good result, you need to add a good clothes, a realistic clothes. So for that, let's use a default clothes. We have here this clothes. Let's add it. Okay, and I have, I don't know. So let's see. So let's delete the basic wear bra. Okay, and let's select here our clothes and let's change the materials. Make it, for example, let's see, red. It's okay, red. Let's make it like that. Green or black, pink. Let's make it red or white with some. Okay, I really don't know. Okay, let's make it like that. It's no problem. So you can see that here the penny breasts is really give good result here. It's like a difference between like that and like that. So I give you links in description to download. So for the penny breast, we have a clothes that give you the option of penny breast. And I give you also a link to download breast control. It's really amazing. That give you all these options here. Okay, don't worry about that. So let's keep the breast like that. Make it more penny like that. Okay, let's speed up the video to simulate. So it's not really important to change this clothes here. Just I show you something here, just an option, a trick to change the color. Just select here. We have the basic, basic panty. Go to surfaces, select it, and just here change this color to be black. Let's see the result. Here we have it black. That's good. Okay, so we can do the same with the hair. So select the hair, surfaces, hair, and change here to black. Make the hair look black. Okay, that's nice. So let's add just here an accessory, like a glass here for her glasses for her for Jill. Just so this is how to change the body and make some abs and change the breast and make it more sexy. Okay. So finally, if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, you can comment. Also, if you like to get my light and presets in one package, you can get it from the link description and enjoy the discount. So see you in the next video. Ciao.